Hey guys, we just got these patio chairs. We had some family coming in town, so we need some extra ones. They were shipped essentially completely assembled. That was a pretty big box right there. It wasn't unreasonably heavy, but if you aren't used to lifting, more than 30 pounds at once, then you should be careful. But these fold up really easy with the cushion on them, and they both came in the same box. The cushion was easy to tie on, and I suppose you could leave it off if you wanted to. But I'm 6'1", so not especially tall, but I'm comfortable in these seats. And if you wanted to put a cushion in the back, you could. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, they were completely assembled, and the connections all seemed fine. They even sent a couple Allen wrenches in it if you need to tighten these up after you use it more. But we just have some at home, so we'll just use those. So yeah, hopefully these are like a good patio chair for you guys if you want them.